Let's go. Which one's that chunk? You are big. Is that the boy? That's a girl. We have an escapee.
Okay, well, that one's gonna go play.
That's the mostly black one.
New one.
That's the chestnut brindle, super fuzzy one. Hi. Hi.
And now we have the black one.
That's the boy. And there's little girl. Little short muzzle. Oh, I know. You guys learned how to howl. You guys are walking around now.
Trade with me. What they look like. Yay!
Where are you going? Little girls. What? What's up, chubby boy? Hi. What are you doing? Yeah, we're just going to the warmth. Oh, there you go. Come here, little girl.